Okay, y'all, welcome back. Here's another video. I had some complaints on the last one about my mic input, so hopefully this one's loud enough for y'all. I'm trying to figure out where to put this webcam so it can comfortably just sit if y'all have any tips or whatever. But alright, man, let's get into this breakdown. I'm gonna do Nas first. Whoops. We'll get on Nas first. And this is a 24K markets. They use Trade Locker for their charts, and then it's sponsored by, you see that TradingView right there, so that's pretty legit. I like the fact that I don't have to switch between the two, TradingView and then MetaTrader while placing trades. And then TradingView is pretty reputable, so I feel like they wouldn't back somebody that's not like trusted, because they got a pretty big name in the trading world. But alright, so we're gonna start on the weekly right here. Last week we had that fat ass drop. That was on the daily. Yeah, let's get back on the weekly. So we had a fat drop last week. Overall trend is still, I still favor long. I don't like to stick to one bias. I just go off what's going on. We had a key level right here. We broke it. That's a 4-hour level. And we broke right back below our week. Okay, there we go. Like I was saying, we got a level at 15,805. That'd be the next one I'm looking at. And then we have on the daily, we got this major level at 16,059. As you can see, there's a lot of touches, a lot of broke through, break, retest, shot up, went all the way to this 4-hour level. Boom, broke up, false, broke back down. Like I said, you see, as far as market structure, is still very bullish. But like I said, I trade off what I see. Don't like to make a bias. So I guess that's good right there. That weekly level's cool right there. So that's cool right there. Leave that daily right where it's at. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Just delete that. That was from last week on a break below setup. I didn't trade Nas last week. So yeah, so far we got those. Let's hop down to the 4-hour. See what we got going on. That's stupid. Alright, 1 second. 4-hour. We could place a little level right here. Where's my toolbar at? I don't get where that toolbar went. I don't see it. Alright, whatever. Could place a little level, like maybe, yeah. Try to get it as accurate as possible. Okay, we're gonna say 16,428. We're gonna go in here and rename it. Change that font to black. Let's put 4-hour, so we know that's my 4-hour zone right there. Put that in the middle, at the bottom, and move it over to the right. Change the line to black. We're gonna lock that right there. Alright, so you see how my chart is, it's not too cluttered, might look like a lot, but really it's pretty clean chart. Especially from when I first started, I used to have shit everywhere, moving averages. I need to add back my VWAP, the volume thingy. See, don't want to add anything else. I was looking at right here, but you know what, is so close to the daily key level that I don't even really think it matters. So I guess for tomorrow I could be looking for, where's my path tool at? Why is none of my shit saved? Alright. There's the path tool. I need to add back my short and long. Boom. Add that back. Where's my rectangle? Rectangle. And find it in my circle. Okay, yeah, so I guess for tomorrow we could look up for a bounce, some type of rejection, and either take it back down to right here, this little zone that was right there, and what breaks that, then take it down into the daily key level. Or we're looking at a break and retest, rejection, boom, take it all the way up there. Or we look for a bounce, boom, bounce back up into there. Or you got another break the daily, retest it, rejection, boom, drop down into that next weekly key level. We'll see where the market's at tomorrow in the morning. Yeah, let's go back to the 1 hour. Nothing. There's no other zones for me to add, so I'm gonna just leave that as it is. There's no need to add any more shit to this. You got a little eddy. You want to just put that on a rectangle or something like that. Something in this vicinity right here off that little hour zone. Possibly look for plays right there, but I really don't trade off. It all depends on the signal I get once you hop down. But yeah, so that's it on Nas. I traded SPX all last week. Let me try to wrap this up because this video is getting a little long. Start off on the weekly. Alright, so kind of the same picture here. Back in. Why does it look like that? Shit tripping. I don't know where the chart is fucking looking. It just wants to be a pain in the ass right now. Okay, so there we go. Let's go ahead and get rid of you see we rejected the daily key level, broke the 4 hour. Now we're right here. So let me delete this. Let's delete that. So now we got our weekly key level right here at what's the label at on this? Let's just say roughly say 47.26. Weekly, you can go over here, look left, see we played a lot in that area. It also dropped from that area, and we're gonna keep that right there. I'm gonna hop over on a daily. Not really much I need to do here as far as a fresh markup. All my zones are still valid from last week. Alright, let's see. Yeah, everything's pretty much the same. Daily key level at 46.54. That's still valid. Don't really need to adjust nothing here. Let's hop on the 4 hour. But these are all the trades I took last week. Up here, right off that rejection. On the 4 hour level. Then I took another one right here. And then I took another one right here. Those were nice little trades right there. I think I had a zone right here in the 4 hour. Matter of fact, let me add this real quick while we're right here. Now that I see it. That was that line I just deleted. Stay. As accurate as possible. Right there. So 47.08 is going to be our 4 hour. put 4, H, boom, lock it, reset. That kind of looks, yeah, that's exactly where I had that level at. I just didn't have it labeled, so I deleted it by accident. So I caught that little move. Pretty good risk to reward ratios on these trades. Honestly, imagine if I would have just held it from up here in that 4 hour and swing traded it. That would have been epic all the way down there. But you know what? We're not gonna focus on that. We're gonna leave that trade in the past. Don't worry about the next trade. Okay, so just added that 4 hour level. We got our daily key level at 46.54 right there. There's really nothing much need to add. Pretty clean chart. You know, everything is relevant. We break right, we break above the 4 hour. We're gonna look at the weekly. Break above the weekly. We're gonna look at this next 4 hour. Go above that, then we're gonna look at the daily. Key level up here at 47.76. But yeah, right now I'm looking for break and retest. A bounce off the 4 hour down to the daily, or a bounce back up, or a break and retest back down. Just simple shit. I only trade bounces and break and retest off major support and resistance levels. I do take break at a high and break at a low setups, but not that often no more. I gotta review my journal because I did not like I'm just starting to not trade that setup no more. But let's see, get down to the hour. There it is right there, those are those trades. And this is a live account, by the way. You see, go on the history right here. Had a pretty good week. $9.26.53. Well, small loss right here. What was that, like maybe like $30? Came back 27. So in all, had an $89 profit for last week on like a $200 account, which is not bad at all. And then I withdrew on Friday. Like I said, this broker has pretty fast withdrawals. I think I got the Bitcoin sent to my Cash App wallet in like 5 minutes or something like that. So, but yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Appreciate y'all watching. If y'all like the video, subscribe or comment below if you have any questions, and then I'll drop the link to this broker in the description or somewhere for y'all to see. But yeah, it's 24K markets. I've seen Swaggy C using them, and a few other people I know that use 24K. It's not bad. 1 to 500 leverage. Even though I don't need all that, it's just still nice to freely trade how I want to and not have to worry about that. And so yep, and we're gonna end this video right here. Alright, y'all.